I want to show you something. This is the top ranked plumber in Texas right now on Google. I've literally searched for plumber in Texas. He is ranking well. He's got the reviews. He's doing everything right. Now, literally watch what happens when I click this one button up here. So this is online estimates. All that is going to do is it's going to search for online estimates, plumber Texas. And if we scroll down and have a look, completely gone. Literally completely gone. He's nowhere to be seen anymore. Texas Quality Plumbing doesn't exist on Google search anymore, even though he was ranking organically #1 spot underneath the State Board of Plumbing Examiners. And do you realize how crazy that is? That is a completely, look at the left and right. This is a completely brand new set of businesses. It's like I've searched in a completely different state. So what this allows the homeowner to do is literally tap this button. Google will then just filter out every single plumber who doesn't have a price online. And it will only show businesses with instant quotes, instant estimators, that kind of thing. And if you look at their website, it's impressive. It is not a bad website, but if you are still using the call to action of just book now or call us to get a quote, you are literally just going to be filtered out by the click of a button for a homeowner who's looking for an estimate. Now, 70% of people are looking for an estimate the same day, and 50% of those people actually want an estimate within around about an hour or so. So you need to be able to accommodate for that, or you're just going to get clicked at and you're just going to disappear from Google search. Now, if you're a home service business and you don't have one of these, you just won't exist in results anymore. It doesn't matter where you're ranking, what you've got on your website. If you haven't got an online estimate or some kind of pricing, instant quotes on your website, you're just going to get clicked into nothingness. Now, the way to fix this is really, really simple. We have a smart online estimator, and all this will do is it will go on your website, literally where you have either a blank space or just a space where you've got a form. We will put this estimator there, and all this will do is allow the client to click what they're interested in, the unit that you've put in there, whether it's rooms, floors, taps, or whatever it is. They will go in, they will select what they look, and they get an instant quote. They will just click their name, number, submit, and it'll arrive in your inbox. All you do, call these people up, get in touch with them, and book the job. It is as easy as that. And without this in place, you're just going to get clicked and disappear on Google search. And I want to show you really quickly how Google sees your website. So if we look here, we've got your prices aren't showing up in Google's AI generated answers. So we're missing out on AI LLM search. We are missing step-by-step service guides that appear at the top of Google. So we do not have a language model list of all of the services that we've got on this website. No price range in search. So customers are just going to click competitors who show pricing and don't disappear when you click online estimates. And then we've got no business hours actually in the search data. Also no Google map on site, missing a local trust signal. So this guy actually has a few things wrong, but this is the top one in Texas right now. Texas Quality Plumbing, top ranking business on Google in organic search, and they just disappear, and they're giving really bad signals to Google right now. So I don't care if you built your website last year. I don't care if you just had a website built. You paid some teenager $4,500 to build your website. If you don't have an online estimator on your site, you are going to disappear in the results. Now, this is super quick and easy to get online. It can be done in the same day. Get it sorted. If you want me to help you out, we have really reasonable pricing on this. We're not ripping anyone off. We just want your hard work to be shown, get instant estimates, and then just absolutely crush it in the market. So click the link down below if you're interested in learning more about that. But this is all it is. And this guy here, on a very moderate kind of understanding of this, is $2,500 a month that you're missing out on just by not appearing in the local search for those plumbing services. And probably it's a lot more of this. If it's an LTV for a client, keeping them on board, it can be much, much more. So check your website, check yourself in search, see where you're appearing, click online estimates. If you disappear, you're not going to get found, so get in touch and we'll sort you out. Also, if you're still here, at the bottom of the description underneath this video, you're going to find two things. You're going to find a free online AI ranking estimator that will go over your whole Google business profile, your posts, your reviews, and everything, and show you where you're ranking locally and where you're ranking in AI search, and give you an action plan of exactly what you need to do to fix that. The second link under there will actually be a link to chat with either myself or one of the members on the team if you just want us to handle this for you. So check them out, click those links. They're completely secure. All you need to do is connect your Google business profile, and it'll be done in literally a couple of minutes time.